First, you wash your hands because it's kind of dirty having dirty hands and putting on skincare products. And then you just rinse it with warm water. And please wash for like at least 30 seconds and wash everything off your hand. Then you want to use warm water because it opens up your pores, and cold water closes it, and hot water dries your skin. And I don't know what it does to your pores, not gonna lie. But then, just rinse your face with warm water so you could put your product in. Now you're gonna use a foaming wash because foaming washes are the best, and then you just want to keep on rubbing it to your hands until it foams up. Then after it foams up, you apply it to your face, and then you just keep on rubbing in circular motions for like a minute. And yeah, I'm just gonna do that real quick. After you've been rubbing your face, you want to then rinse with cold water because cold water tightens your pores. So just watch what I'm doing. I just keep on putting it in a cup and just put it on my face until all of it's gone. And then now you'll have to dry your face. Okay, please don't judge me. I don't have like a face towel because I lost mine. So I just used a clean towel and I patted it again. Oh, look at the water on my shirt, bro. Yeah, so I patted it against my face until it was dry. And, that'll be it. And then you have to add your moisturizing lotion. So yeah, that's what I'm about to do. So I don't have my cerave lotion, so I'm just using my sister's lotion, and this is moisturizing sunscreen lotion for face and body. And then you just rub it in your face. Like, don't be stingy with the amount. Use